Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to be learning about how can we draw join line in AutoCAD, and that we call as polyline. To draw polyline, the shortcut command is PL enter, PL. As you can see here, there is PL line, that is polyline is coming. Just click enter, space, or you can press space, and now you can draw polyline. The polyline do is, as you can see here, the line is joined, and if I draw L enter here, you can see the lines are broken, and in polylines the lines are joined. So this is the difference between line and polyline. I hope you find this video useful, and if you find this video useful, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more, and press the bell notifications for further updates. So take care, bye bye.